In this video, we will show how to use annotations in Tecplot for Barracuda. Specifically, we will demonstrate how to insert images and text into a Tecplot view. To begin, to insert an image, navigate to the Insert menu and select Image/Georeferenced Image. This will open up a file explorer in which we can select the desired image to import. Once an image has been opened in Tecplot, it can be moved and manipulated similarly to other elements in a Tecplot view. Using the selection tool, we select the image and then drag and drop it where we would like to place it. Using the 9 black dots around the perimeter of the image, we can resize it as well. Next, let's look at inserting text. Suppose we want to add a title to this simulation. We return to the Insert menu, and this time select Text. Note how our mouse cursor has changed. When we click, a text details window will open up, where we can control the font, size, color, and other options for our text. Additionally, we can use LaTeX markup if we choose to. Any text that we type in here will appear precisely where our mouse had clicked. Once we hit Accept, this text can also be manipulated like any other element in Tecplot using the Selection tool and clicking. Furthermore, double-clicking using the Selection tool will reopen this text details window. Next, let's look at creating dynamic text. Alongside a static text tag, such as the title we have created, we can also create dynamic text. For an example of dynamic text, most visualization data default views in the Quick Macro panel will default load a dynamic text tag in the top right, the timestamp. Using the Selection tool and double-clicking the timestamp, we will notice the syntax for defining a dynamic variable. An ampersand followed by the variable name in parentheses will insert dynamic text. After the variable name, using a %sign and a format signifier, we can decide how this value will be displayed. In this case, a floating point number with 2 decimal places. To create new dynamic text, a similar procedure is followed. We can return to Insert Text, or in the top menu bar, click the text icon. Then, we select where we'd like our text. Following the syntax mentioned earlier, ampersand, parentheses, in this case, let's look at the maximum value of the contour map. The contour map is currently displaying a mole fraction of methane. So we'll use the variable maxc followed by a format signifier of 4 decimal places. For further information, as well as a complete list of available options regarding dynamic text variables and dynamic text formatting, please see the Tecplot User's Manual. This dynamic text can be used alongside regular static text options to create a custom dynamic element in our Tecplot view. We notice, as we traverse through time steps of our simulation, the dynamic text updates for the values of that time step. This concludes our video on using annotations in Tecplot for Barracuda.